KTN खिलाफत न्यूज़, खबरें आपकी, नजरिया हमारा।
नाजरीन, आप देख रहे हैं KTN खिलाफत न्यूज़। मैं हूं शकील सिद्दीकी। नाजरीन, आज हमारी इस खास स्टोरी में आप देखेंगे भारत में 5 स्टार सरीखे अस्पतालों की सच्चाई क्या है। भारत में 5 स्टार सरीखे अस्पतालों की सच्चाई क्या है, इसे हम जानेंगे इस स्टोरी में। 5 स्टार अस्पतालों में एक नाम मेदांता हॉस्पिटल का भी आता है, जिसकी प्रशंसा न सिर्फ भारत में बल्कि विदेशों में भी की जाती है। मगर सच्चाई इसके बिल्कुल उलट है। मैं बात कर रहा हूं उत्तर प्रदेश की राजधानी लखनऊ स्थित मेदांता अस्पताल की, जहां पर मरीजों से हर रोज सुविधाओं के नाम पर वसूली जाती है मोटी रकम। कैसी है मेदांता में मिलने वाली सुविधाएं, इस हकीकत को जानकर आप भी हैरत में पड़ जाएंगे। फिर आप सोचेंगे कि किसी छोटे प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में इलाज करा लिया जाए, मगर मेदांता न जाया जाए। मेदांता की इस हकीकत को बयान कर रहे हैं हमारे दर्शक सुधांशु रस्तोगी जी। देखिए क्या कुछ है सच्चाई मेदांता सरीखे 5 स्टार अस्पतालों की इस खास रिपोर्ट में।
Hi everyone, this is Sudhanshu Rastogi. Presently I am at Medanta Hospital for last 8 days. As a support system, things are okay here. But they are not treating the patients in the right way. They are charging for every damn thing like a 5-star treatment. But regret to mention, not even warm water, lukewarm water is available, even 2 hours of reminder. Any patient who comes up waiting for just a bottle of water because the pantry fellow will come, he may come in 2 hours, 4 hours, God knows. Nobody knows. Same way, not getting the medicine. I had to go to the counters, even though I was a patient, for my fellow patient a few times to remind them this is a new patient, but no medication has been done. Their only work is you deposit the patient, you deposit the money, and just forget it. So under these circumstances, it's my request that this message should reach to the right place, and no senior doctor has ever visited me. The junior doctor also come 4 or 4:30, at times 2 during the day. So the patient requirement is in the morning. It's my humble request that it should reach to the right place. And the hygiene level is also bad. I have videos also which shows for 3 days even the bathroom has not been cleaned. Your room is filthy. What Vedanta we are talking about? What Medanta Lucknow we are talking about? What for are they charging? And this is now a full-fledged COVID hospital. So the treatment should be as per the hospital, as per the COVID hospital. It's not that I am here for a heart treatment or something like that. I am looking for my discharge. Even for that God knows when the doctor will come. God knows when the billing will be done, and God knows when I'll be discharged. And my remaining here is harming me more at the moment rather than remaining here. Since I am speaking, you can check my parameters appears to be absolutely fine. Thank you, friends.